What is up, beautiful people? Man, look at that nasty dent right there. I'm under the weather. I do not feel well. My oil return line came in, along with some new fittings in here. Hopefully this is better than this. I bought this from a company that actually sells turbos and turbo parts, so, and this I got from fucking Napa. Some chick didn't even know what to tell me. Oh, this is the best hose we got. That's what they said, so. Hopefully this works. I'm gonna get that put on. Hopefully it stops weeping fucking oil all over the place. It's getting really old. Also, my brakes need to get done. The previous owner stripped the screws on the front rotor, so I have to drill those out. So I'm gonna get that taken care of and get my brakes taken care of. All right, let's get to it. I'm gonna tighten it up here and get rid of this whole thing. It's just ugly. Got the new turbo return drain in and clamped all the way the fuck down. I really need to replace this. I need to redo this. This was wrong. Seems like it's leaking from everywhere. Anyway, okay, so that's in, and now I'm gonna head and do the brakes. So, let's get to that. Oh, it's just so greasy up here. Everything is just greasy. Alrighty, y'all, so I got the rotors and pads installed and the system is bled. I need to go for a good drive and set the pads in. That's definitely something you always want to do. So now my big issue is whether to put the valve cover on. As you can see, it's chilling down there. The one I have on now is funky for sure. Like it's all nasty. Yeah, so do I put that on? Because it doesn't match my wheels. I mean, it's way far off, and that's why I chose that color. I don't know why I thought that would match. I bought the paint after I had seen the wheels, so that was my bad. Look, I don't really feel like putting that next to it, but like, those are two different things. So I don't know whether to put this on. I feel like this is just kind of tacky looking, just bright and fucking orange in the middle of my engine bay. But let me know what you guys think. You know, I don't mind this color, but I want it to match my wheels, of course. If I ever pop my engine, like, it's gonna look goofy as fuck. So, alrighty, y'all. So, yeah. Alrighty, y'all. So in the comment section below, let me know whether you think I should put the valve cover painted with this on, or whether I should leave the stock one on, or if I should repaint that one a different color. So I'm still also kind of undecided on the color of the car. I'm probably gonna go with white. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find that color high temp paint to match my wheels specifically. So like, I could do a different color for my engine bay. Let me know what you think I should paint my engine bay, and I will probably do that in the next couple episodes. But I do need to do this valve cover gasket like now. So hell yeah. Alrighty, y'all. Peace out, Cub Scouts.